Hi investors, good morning. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here from Megaworld Corporation. And today, I'm going to tour you or give you an inside look of our available one unit for studio, 25 square meters. So we are currently here at the Verdine. So this is the very first RFO condominium of Megaworld here in General Trias, Cavite. So this is actually the facade of the unit. This is the back of the main building. So we are here and the drop-off area. So if you have car, this will be your drop-off area upon entering to the main entrance of the Verdine. Tara, sukin natin. And now this is going to be the lobby for the Verdine. So this is going to be the reception area. And then that area naman, this will be allotted for the guests. And now let's go to the elevator. So we have here a total of 2 elevators, 1 and 2. But before we go up, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mail room, which is here. So if you have any letters, so you can actually check your unit here. So you have your own keys para mabuksan yung mga mailbox. So now let's go upstairs. And now we're here on the 10th floor or the penthouse level, which is this one. So as you can see, the hallway here is very upgraded na. Mas maganda siya unlike the minimal floors na meron tayo. So let's go to the unit, which is 810H. Dito. And now let's go to that unit 10H, which is on the penthouse level. So this one is a studio unit, 25 square meters. So before tayo pumasok dito, just to give you an idea, this is also my first time to see a penthouse level na unit. So pare-parehas tayo makikita nito. So before that, this will be the doorbells. So lahat ng units here will have your own doorbells. So now let's go to the pinakang unit. There you go. Wow. Ganda siya. So before we go along, dito muna tayo. So for this one, we have here a video and audio intercom. So connected sa lobby. So if you have any parcels or guests, you can contact the front desk sa baba. Now let's go here on this side. This will be the kitchen area. So part of the deliverables, kasi ito na mismo yung exact unit once turned over to you. So we have here the overhead cabinets, under counter cabinets. And for our countertop, this is actually made out of granite. We already have sink and the faucet. This one naman, provision to for the washer and dryer. And right on this area naman, this is for your fridge. So may mga nakaabang na tayo dito mga sockets. So now let's go here. So this will be the sleeping den, but in this specific location, pwede nyo ilagay yung table ninyo for dining. So here, the best part about this one, ang laki ng unit nyo, you can put here yung pinakang bed or dito. Mas okay dito para hindi agad-agad nakikita sa door. And the best part about the penthouse level is the view. So you can see here, sobrang ganda ng view mo. So this one is facing Park and then the MDCD or Maple Grove Commercial District. Ayan, so aside from that, part of the deliverables for this unit, we already have here a modular cabinet. Ito siya, so you can already put here your clothes. And for the air conditioner, we will be using a window type. Ito siya provision, so you can put here your aircon. And now let's go to the main toilet and bath. So this will be the area. So all you can see here are already provided. We have here the shower, the bowl. We also have the lavatory and also for the mirror or vanity mirror. So this will be the overall deliverables upon turnover for your unit. So if you want to know more about this one available unit for this penthouse studio, please don't hesitate to send me a message. You can ask me for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Megaworld Corporation. See you again in my next video. And now we are here on the 3rd floor. So this is the amenity deck for the Verdine. As you can see, we're already here. So this is going to be the hallway heading to the amenities. So first, let's go on this area for the other amenities. Back. And now let's go to the first amenity that we have here for the Verdine. So this one is the daycare. So pasok tayo. So if you have any kids, nephews, or mga pamangkin nyo, you can actually use this. So someone will also assist them whenever na may gagawin kayo sa labas. So you just ask the front desk. And also, this will be for the outdoor activities sa mga kids. Hindi lang natin siya mabuksan right now. So, in this area, meron na tayong here ng toilet. So, kung may mga batang gagamit ito, pwede na. So, let's go to the next amenity. So, next amenity, this one is my favorite because I'm into fitness. So, this is the fitness gym. Pasok. There you go. So all you can see here, all the equipments that you can see on this video are actually free of use. Once you're a unit owner here at the Verdine, you can use this. So we also have here an entry point going outside for the outdoor and fitness area. And now on our third amenity, we have here the function room. So if you have any events or occasion, you can actually rent this out. Just inform the front desk if you're going to use it so you can save the date. So this is going to be a spacious, I think it can fit up 25 to 50 people. So we also have an entry point going outside. So if you want to have a more fresh air, so pwede nyo buksan yan. So on our last amenity deck, we have the swimming pool. Diba? And now this will be the swimming pool area. But before we go there, let's show you first here the toilet for male and female. So you can use this once you're going to change. So ito yung for male. So you can already have here the cubicle and then the mirror. So you can actually check it out. And now, punta na tayo sa pool. Tara. So this will be the swimming pool allotted to for kids and then for the adults. So the best part about this one is sobrang ganda ng view mo dito. You're facing the commercial district or the Maple Grove Parade. And here we have an entry point going to the Lanai. So once you have an activity or event, pwede mo na siyang directly pumunta doon. And now this will be the very big and nice swimming pool area. So itong part na to, this will be for kids since mababa siya for 2 feet. And then as we go along, this will be for the adults na kaya yung taas na 4 feet na swimming pool area. So this will be it. Aside from the amenities that I have mentioned, we actually have a roof deck. Pero hindi lang natin siya mapupuntahan right now, but I can show you some clips or videos kung ano yung may expect ninyo or makikita sa pinakang taas nitong condominium. And here are the retail shops below the condominium.